Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. Today we have a very useful video. If you are an IT administrator or just someone who needs to manage multiple remote computers at once, the native Windows remote client can get very messy. I will show you exactly how to set up and use Microsoft's official Sysinternals Remote Desktop Connection Manager, or RDCMan, right now. Let's get started. First, RDCMan is no longer a standard Windows feature. It is now part of the official Sysinternals suite. Open your web browser, search for Sysinternals RDCMan download, and click the official Microsoft documentation link. Download the zip file to your computer. The best part about this tool is that it requires absolutely no installation. Simply extract the folder, right-click the rdcman.exe file, and select Run as Administrator to open the manager. Next, we need to create a configuration file to save your network structure. In the top left corner, click File, then select New. Name your file and save it to your computer as a .rdg file. Now, right-click on that new file name in the left panel and select Add Group. Give your group a name like Home Lab or Office Servers. Click on the Logon Credentials tab, uncheck Inherit from Parent, and type in the username and password for these machines. Saving the credentials here allows every server in this group to automatically log you in. Finally, let's add your computers. Right-click on the group you just created and select Add Server. In the server name box, type the IP address or exact host name of your remote computer and give it a friendly display name. Click Add and it will instantly appear under your group. To connect, simply double-click the server name in the left panel. The desktop will load right inside the main window, allowing you to easily switch between multiple remote sessions using a simple tabbed view. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.